All right, just 1 month into the COVID vaccine rollout, expectations are already falling short. And now legislators in multiple states are demanding answers. Several governors accuse the Health and Human Services Secretary of deceiving them about how many COVID-19 vaccine doses they could soon expect. Secretary Alex Azar initially said the Trump administration was planning to release a strategic reserve of doses it had been holding back for booster shots. But governors say they've since learned there is no reserve because it was already released before this week.
I am shocked and appalled that the federal government would set an expectation with the American people on which they knew they could not deliver with such grave consequences.
I'm still confident we'll meet our initial timeline because we did base that on the conservative figures of what we knew we could expect through the normal supply chain, because we didn't know for sure at that point that the reserve of doses for second doses would be released. Never in our wildest dreams did we think it didn't exist.
Azar's days in government are limited. He announced his resignation effective noon on January 20th, which is Inauguration Day. In his resignation letter, the secretary wrote that the continued need to deliver vaccines and the smooth transition to the Biden administration is why he will remain secretary until the end of his term. Azar has been an integral figure in the Trump administration's COVID-19 response. President-elect Joe Biden designated California Attorney General Xavier Becerra as his successor.